So today it's the customer's Midland 3001, which had very, very low audio and was the capacitor in the audio circuit. So see if we've got the squelch set. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, decopy.
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear.
Excellent. Great. Well, it works a treat now.
Roger that, just come up to the end of the lane now.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger. And we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Oh, you did well there. You didn't get stuck. This is on the factory original microphone as well, and the radio's doing a full 4 watts.
Roger that. Right, we're just passing the top of the hill as we go down into Wilsford over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Chippie, just going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, absolutely fine, over.
Roger that sounds excellent.
Good.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, Wilsford level crossing, that's great, over.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, getting you very well at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Well, that's one of the best copies ever at Grayleys. Great, over.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Chippie, just staying over Rossley level crossing.
Yeah, Roger, that's fine as well. Normally you can't hear me the other side of the crossing because of the petrol station, but I know you're going shopping because you told me.
Yeah, I heard every word of that. It came over the petrol station was changed. There was some buzzing in the background, but that's one of the best copies there from my point of view.
Yep, so we test all these wonderful radios and then we go back to a Maxon built Midland 3001 and it works one of the best ever. Okay, I'll catch you later on at Tango Towers. 1010. Well, original mic, you know, it's lovely condition, but inside, if you looked at the, wow, I mean, it was a bit of a cocker, wasn't it? I had the wrong cameras on, the picture-in-picture didn't work. Oh, good grief. But apart from that, I mean, the set has turned out a treat, and it was worth the 2 hours chasing the audio amplifier fault to make it into a nice radio. And it was so screwed up, I mean, it came in doing 1.7 watts, because the screwdriver expert had obviously tweaked it up to 1.7 watts. Amazing. Right, let's listen to it on our base station.
Tango 21, testing the customer's 1981 Midland 3001 into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is the factory original mic. Thanks for watching.
Tango 21, you copy?
Yeah, Tango 21, go ahead.
Yeah, good evening, Richard. Just about to pull you out of noise. Understand you've got a Midland 3001 there. Back to you.
Yes, Roger. Is that, I've forgotten your name already.
I forgot my name already. I've been talking to you half an hour ago.
Well, yeah, but, you know, that's me.
Oh dear, I'm not giving you call sign.
Oh, well, that's right. I mean, I've got a memory like a sieve. He's not, he doesn't sound electric man.
Nothing wrong with the electric man, that'll do just fine. But yeah, I can just about hear you. Couldn't hear Mr. Chippie at all, but you've, yeah, you're not coming through too bad now. My antenna's not as high as it could be, but you're coming through okay. And just quickly while I've got you, I'll be doing CW tomorrow night.
Yeah, Roger, we're doing CW like we did before. Got me in his Blighton books ready. This is probably going to be on the end of the video as well, so he'll be famous. I'm on the workshop antenna for the test, so it's not as good, it's not as high up as the base station aerial. So we use this because the results need to be repeatable. Stuart, over.
Yeah, okay, Richard. Well, like I said, mine's not very high either, just the silver rod. It's only 20 foot up, not even that, I don't think. So not awfully high. But anyway, I'll let you crack on with your video, and we'll catch you tomorrow night. 10:10.
Yeah, you were going to say 73 in your call sign, weren't you? Okay then, 10:10 till tomorrow.
I was going to say the lot, but yeah, you're right. Yeah, catch you later. I'm going to do it again. So, no, 10:10.